Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Adsense code to WordPress. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. You actually have two options. So first up, under here, under WordPress, just go to the left panel and click on plugins. Okay. Make sure that you have the paid account. If not, don't worry, you still have an option. Okay. So first up, go ahead and find SiteKit. Okay. Again, SiteKit. Click on find or search, or just hit on enter. And then here, just go ahead and use SiteKit by Google. Click on it and then just hit on install. Okay. Once that's installed, when you go ahead and check out right here at the top left, you'll have Google SiteKit. So what you'll do is just click on it and sign in with your Google account and give all the necessary permissions. And one of those permissions will be accessing your AdSense and Google Analytics. Okay. Just again, follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Another option is by going to your Google AdSense account. Okay, now once you're in here, what you'll do is just click on Ads, then click on Get Code. Now, once that's down at the bottom, you will have a copy code button. Just click on it. Now go back to your WordPress account. And here, just go ahead over to the left panel and hover over your tools in here and just click on Theme File Editor. Okay, click on it. And then again, just make sure that you have the upgraded version of WordPress. Now in the right panel, once you have access to a theme file editor, just go ahead over to the right panel and just scroll through the theme files, okay? And just find header. Now once you've located the header, locate the section head, click on it, give some space and paste the copied code snippet. And once that's done, go back to Google AdSense. And under the AdSense code, you will have the request review button. Just click on it, and once done, you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.